Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called the Thank You God Seasonal Collab, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now the members of this collab is called the Sisters of Faith, and the host is Glam Elegant Living, Lady Allie. The co-hostesses are Penny from At Penny's Place and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hostesses down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure to watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist. So today I decided to decorate this tabletop in this area of my home. Come with me, guys. I'm going to be using items to bring in the spring and to bring in Easter. So what am I thankful for this year? I'm going to say right now that I'm thankful for my friends, the old ones and the new ones. But what I'm also realizing is if we don't make time for friends, we won't have any. So now friends listen to what we have to say. They listen to how we feel, to our problems. They sit there and they encourage us and they lift us up. Sometimes family can do that, but a lot of times it's our friends. So today I want to say thank you, and I'm grateful for the people that I have in my life today, and I hope that blessed you. So let's jump back into the video and see what kind of progress we're making with this table. So the carrot and that bunny butt over there, I DIY'd, and I think that came out absolutely glamorous. Who would have thought that we could decorate a carrot and a bunny butt and make it glamorous? So I'm going to go ahead and finish decorating this table and leave you to music. take a moment and thank the host and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. Okay, looks like we're all done. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. So I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.